Hi there. I received a nice Christmas present from my kids. This new Milwaukee tool chest to go with my old Mac one over here, so that I can hopefully clean up this gigantic mess and get back to work on my Mustang. I've just got too much stuff in here. As you can see, it is a disaster. So they got tired of me complaining about it apparently and got me a new tool chest. And I love it, other than the two locks. For some reason, the top two are the same and the bottom one is different. They're the same lock. Essentially, they just have a different key, obviously. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that bottom one and swap it with this other one up here. I'll do my best to film this. Just looking up inside of here, my hand's probably in the way. You can see that I've got a socket sitting on there ready to turn. That's a 11mm socket. So I'm going to pull that off to get those rods back out of the way. And then there's another nut behind that. Then it should just pop that lock out. The top one is a lot easier. And if you look here, it's just got a rod on the back. And it's got the same big nut on the back side right there. So I'm gonna do that real quick. See how it goes. Hopefully you can see that. I sure the hell can't. So I'm thinking the rod will pull back just enough to where I can pull this stuff off of there. I don't want to lose too much here. And I'm going to need a wrench. Awkward ass position to be in. There we go. There it goes. Alright, washer, lock. Okay, so I already kind of took this apart. This little bar was like this here. It just had this little nut here to take off. This cam is oriented like so, where it's straight up right there. And same thing to get this locked out. Sorry, my hand's in the way. There's no other way to do this. Okay, so that guy is out. Alright, so lock in. This is your orientation for the lock. The tab up where it has the writing on it, straight up, and then like like that. And I'll set this back up. Hopefully you can see it. Hopefully I don't knock the damn thing over again. Alright, so lock, there's the washer. And then the big nut goes on here. Like so. The drawer moves and then I knock shit over. So okay. 7/8 inch wrench. I think I already said that. Tighten this guy up. Like so. And then this will do goes here, like that. Bar and nut. I'm going to say sorry if my hand's in the way. It's pretty tight as it is here. And 11mm ratchet. Let's give that a demo with our key. And I seem to have already lost. There it is. Yep. That works great. All right, back down to the other one. So lock is in. Washer. Gigantic nut. This had a cam and a washer, like so. And these things, that should go back on there, like that. I'm going to put it on a little tighter than what they had up. All right, that should be it. All right, so let's try it. Check it out. And this one's the same key. Yeah, I got my drawer open, so that didn't work for a while. Close that. All right, ta-da. So that works. Same key. Sweet. So now, this one I can lock on its own, even though the other ones are open, with its own key. All these are still working, see? Or, even if this is undone, I can lock that top lock with this here, and that locks all in, see? So really, if I can have everything open except this one if I want, or just use these two and not worry about this one at all. Anyway, that was a quick, easy fix. I know the video taking wasn't that great, but hopefully you see it okay, and hopefully that works for somebody. Thanks.